Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a fashion brand with H&M detailed guide step by step clearly. Understanding the market is the first step to building a fashion brand with H&M. Research current fashion trends to identify what resonates with consumers. Analyze your target audience, including their demographics, preferences, and purchasing behavior. Next, define your brand identity, which includes your core values, mission, and vision. Create a unique design aesthetic that sets your brand apart from others in the market. Collaborate with designers who align with your vision to craft a cohesive product line. Once you have your designs, develop prototypes to test the fit, style, and overall appeal. Conduct focus groups to gather feedback on your initial designs. Incorporate that feedback and refine your product line accordingly. You should then establish a reliable supply chain, sourcing materials and manufacturers that meet your quality and ethical standards. Create a business plan that outlines your brand strategy, marketing approach, and financial projections. After that, choose a suitable pricing strategy that reflects your brand positioning and target market. Design an eye-catching logo and packaging that embodies your brand identity. Next, set up an online presence through a website and social media channels. Utilize social media to build a community around your brand and engage with potential customers. Develop a marketing strategy that includes influencer partnerships and targeted advertising campaigns. Plan a launch event that showcases your first collection and garners attention in the fashion community. Following the launch, continuously gather feedback and monitor sales data to identify areas for improvement. Establish customer service practices that enhance consumer experiences and foster loyalty. Lastly, stay agile and responsive to fashion trends and consumer demands to ensure long-term success in the industry. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.